How to find Roblox server reason. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser in the search bar, go ahead and search for BT Roblox. And once you search for it, simply click on the first link and then simply tap on Add to Chrome. Tap on Add Extension. And once the extension has been added to your Chrome, you want to go ahead and open a new tab, type in roblox.com, and simply log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on this button icon, tap on BT Roblox, scroll below, expand the advanced section, scroll below again, and then simply tap on this drop down, and then tap on reason. Once done, close this box and then you want to go ahead and open any game. So once you select any game in the Roblox, scroll below and then you want to make sure that servers is selected. Scroll below again and just like so, you'll then be able to find this option that says exclude full servers. Click on this box and just like that, you'll then be able to find the reason in Roblox. So here we have Netherlands, here we have Japan, and here we have United Kingdom. And that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.